MyFresh. It's official. Air freshening just got personal. Introducing MyFresh, the 2019 Cleaning Show Innovation Award winner from P-Wave that delivers targeted, clean and efficient air freshening for small personal spaces. Using a motion sensor located within the front panel, the high-velocity MyFresh fan springs into action exactly when required, reducing fragrance overload to ensure that nose blindness is a thing of the past. Most important of all, the liquid-free dry fragrance refills with no sprays, spills or sticky residues are 100% recyclable and are offered in a new range of exclusive premium fragrances. The MyFresh cabinet is lockable and also features an LCD screen with a reminder when it's time to replace the battery and refill. The product is perfect for use inside bathroom cubicles or on a vanity mirror. But MyFresh isn't just limited to the washroom. The system is also ideal for use in elevators or even on a desk in an office. It's incredibly versatile and really is the perfect air freshener for any small space.